So today I'm here to check out this facility behind me here. This is a pure water factory and it's up for sale. So I'll be entering the factory, seeing all the equipment, and if you are interested, don't forget to leave a comment and send me a message on WhatsApp. So this is the facility that's up for sale. I just came in through the gate here, and this is the main factory compound. So this is a 2 pure water machine factory, and the water treatment equipment here are locally constructed. You can also see the delivery van. But before we get to the water treatment section, let me start from the main reception. So coming in from here, you can see the entrance to the main factory. This is the sales and reception area. Then when we come in here, you can see the administrative office, which is here. This is another exit, and we also have the cloak room and changing room here. You can see it for both male and female. Then coming into this side here, we have the first aid section, and this is the storage room for the raw materials. So these are pallets for storing the raw materials. Coming over to this side here, this is the main production room. And in the main production room, you can see the pure water machines here. This is Dingley machines, just like I always say in my videos. Most factories you go to in Nigeria, you will see Dingley packaging machine. So we have 2 of them here, and the 2 of them too are for sale. You can see the water filters behind with the ultraviolet water sterilizer. You can see everything here, and the factory is spacious. You can see the piping, the fitting, and here is the finished product room. So once they are done with production, install most of the finished products here. It's also inside the factory. And this factory is capable, or this storage unit is capable of holding up to 700 bags of water. So when we come out here, you can see the water treatment section. You can see the pumping machines, and this is the slab where the water tanks are. You can see the treatment, locally constructed equipment. So yeah, this is the whole facility. If you are interested in owning a pure water factory, this place is located in Ado, Nasarawa State, just between Abuja and the main Nasarawa State itself, before Kefi, let me see. So this is a 2 pure water machine facility, and the water treatment is locally constructed, and you can see the 2 pure water machines. So everything here is for sale: the facility, the vehicle, the machines, the building, everything here is for sale. So if you are interested in acquiring this facility, I'll leave my WhatsApp information on screen.